Jai Gurudev students, very good morning to all of you. Again, we will continue with the same chapter, that is lesson 6, industries and their distribution. In this chapter, we have studied about the industry, that is what do you mean by the term industry, what are industries students? Industry just process the raw material into finished goods, that is in industries the raw material is converted into finished goods. Now we have seen the classification on the basis of size, that is small scale industries and the large scale industries. Okay, okay. Now next is we have studied in the last class, that is classification based on the ownership. That is, if we are talking about the public sector, then this sector is owned by the government. Now the private sector is owned by the individual or the group of individuals. Okay. Now the joint sector industries are those which are owned jointly by both the private firms and the government, and the cooperative sector, that is owned by the suppliers or the producers of the raw material. Okay. Now today we will continue with the classification that is based on the raw material. Okay. Now how the industry classified on the basis of raw material? First is agro based industries, students. What is agro based industries? In such industries the raw material, that is when the raw material we get from the plants, or we can say with the help of the agriculture, that is cotton textile and jute textile and the sugar industry. Okay. Now the next is, that is pastoral based industries. In the pastoral based industries, students, we get the raw material from the animals. In agriculture we get the raw material from the crops. Okay, that is a cotton crop, that is we get sugar from the sugar cane, that is jute from the jute crop. Okay. And now the pastoral based industries, we get the raw material from the animals, that is the dairy products, and we get milk from cow or a buffalo. Okay. And then the leather and woolen industry, from where we get wool? From the sheep. Okay. That is known as pastoral based industries. Okay. The next is forest based industries, students. In the such kind of industries, we'll get the raw material from the forest, that is we get rubber, we get paper, furniture. Pharmaceuticals means medicines. Okay, most of the medicines we get from the forest, and medicinal plant, some herbs. So all these things are get from the forest. So this is known as forest based industry. Means such industries which get the raw material from the forest only. Okay. Now the next classification, that is the marine based industries. The raw material which we get from the sea, that is the seafood and the fish oil. All these things we get from the marine based industries. Next is, that is the mineral based industries. In such industries, students, we get the raw material from the minerals, that is most of the industries which are totally dependent on the minerals. What we get, we have studied now about the minerals. So what are those industries? That is automobile industry. Okay, that is oil, coal. Okay, railway coaches. So all these comes under the mineral based industries. Okay, students. Now in such industries you can see the mineral based industries. See, these are the pictures. This is agro based industry, students. This is pastoral based industries. It is given in your book. Just read out. And this is the forest based industry, students. See the cutting of trees, we get wood from the trees, and from that wood we will make the furniture. Now the mineral based industry, marine based industry, see this is seafood. Most of the seafood we'll get from marine based, that is fish and other kind of seafood. And the mineral based industry, see you can see the construction of automobiles, and in most of the industries we used coal as a raw material. So this is known as the mineral based industries. Okay, so here now we have completed the classification of industries. In the next class, students, I'll continue this chapter with the factors influencing the location of industries. Okay, Jai Gurudev.